Diamond pussy this year. Diamond pussy this year. Dancehall artist Kaseeno get catch and eat the buff. Yeah man, the man I try to mate him, I lick it before him stick it him and eat the mate him and do all of the wrong things my people. Yeah, that and more we have to talk about it. So I said my people, that and more. So you know what the thing go already. I go break it down, I go show you all of my reasoning. I go give you clippings of the video still, but you go on and on. You see, you know the YouTube thing work. So if you want the full video or you want the full length of the video, you have to link me on my Instagram feed, right? Or if I don't worry about it still, you go play a clip inside so you can see a clip of what I go on from now still. Just to give a sneak peek. And then of course later down in the video, I show you the whole thing. And as I tell you, if you want the full video, full out, just link me up on the gram feed, my people. Just link me up on the gram. Kaseeno. Yo. Another to say no. I want to say dog name change. I'm slang change. I'm telling you what it changed to. I'm telling you what it changed to. In my freak now. Yeah man, that the dog name change to Kaseeno dancehall artist. Me could talk, you know. Dancehall artist Kaseeno get catch either. Both the man I try to meet. Yeah man, so here we go on now. You see before it even got too far in the reasoning or before we even do anything, here what me I say to you people. Watch your prayer. You see, this to me is a publicity stunt. Alright, this to me is just one of them stunt there. If you say, alright, you go on and on. I'm gonna drop a video. Alright, me him drop a video just the other day. He must say, yo, if I can't enough you can't cover it, I'm your house. Ray. So I deal with. So this, who knows? This probably have to promote a song there and all of them things there. So I deal with. But here we go on and on. You see Kaseeno now, him known for a man for. I mean, he's a good artist, you know. Don't get me wrong. The man is a good artist, talented youth. Well, I can't say talented youth, because a big man for me. Talented man. That's what I say. A big man for me. Respect is due. Talented man. But here go on. Cut that out of it. The man stays so bad, man, now. And the man come out and the man say, Superman. So man say, people are come to look, if you see. Madness are people are come to look, if you see, yo, this a man here come with some foolishness to the table. Nobody now expects that this is one good artist. So then the man come out and say, I can see now. And start singing a man. Y'all come over. Come closer, me I got corona. And the man chat that no people are mates and I say, yo, a Superman brother, I'm actually bad, you know. And if you're mates with me, I say, people, I say, yeah man, a Superman brother actually bad. So, that, right? But you are going to know, people they still, yeah, no people still never take him serious because of the whole comedian thing, the Kaseeno thing, the Kaseeno thing, the Superman thing, right? I mean, after a while, I wonder if I fade within the cracks, or I'm just fade out, because I never hear nothing more about him, I never seen Jap nothing more. A couple of days ago, I seen Jap another song. Good song, just the same. Good song. But right after him song drop, you see this happen now. So, my money depend on the fact that you go on now. It's either him do this to promote him song when him do before, or him do this to drop another song. That's how my money depend. Now, him and the other buff. Me personally, that is what I'm on with the life now. I swear to God, me no do things. And I'm a friend. So, me and you know no reason for share drinks. Me ain't no reason for share utensils. And me ain't no reason for do none of that. So when I do with him life, I feel him think that. Me not busy about the way a man do. Next thing, me and him are a friend. So it's not like he can come and say, yo, he man come talk up now my face. Sorry. None of that can, because me and him are a friend. From an artist to artist, yeah. man is still a good artist. That's still not taking nothing from him credibility. If you say him is a good artist. And this is how me personally think. The man is still a good artist. Him want him buff, fine. Him go on him buff. Me not busy about that. Him and him buff. You see what I deal with? But at the end of the day still, make we talk it how it's supposed to go. Right? Now from a dancehall artist perspective, if you come out and do this still, this you kinda mess with your reputation because that'll go against the culture, right? First, releasing all this out of the public, this will go against the dancehall nature. Them things are not part of the culture. If you mean something, I say them things are no way. Them things are not part of dancehall culture. So when I bring them things in, I mix up the thing, and you kind of hip up all the thing, and you firing all the thing, right? I mean, separate and apart, when as me tell you already, you know, a man have more than life to live, and a man doing more and do with him life, you know. But at the end of the day, them things are different from the culture, man. Them things are no inner. Them things are rough ramping. I mean, so I say, them things have to cut out it still. Me no agree with the fact say yo, a man stays. Cause I in idea you can't tell a man what to do. In a film life, you know, you can't tell a man how to live film, sex life or whatever. You can't tell a man what to do. Here I know though, here I don't care. Me really not care. What you want to know, but feed him dancehall image, we can't talk about that. This not gonna look good for him dancehall image. This I gonna make it look like say, yeah, as you're firing out the thing. Yeah, firing out the thing. And if you mean so, I say, this not good for it, man. But at the end of the day still, I know this is just a stunt. And I'm not gonna ever change my mind from that. I'm not gonna ever step away from it. I'm not gonna ever say nothing different. Because as I know, I'm not ask, I'm 100% sure that this is a stunt. And a stunt for drop for the video when I'm drop already. I'm not ask. Or if I drop a new video. That's all me I say. It's all I promote. It's all I promoting stunt. If I really preach, I act and they do something like that one at a time. And at the end of the day still, even when I act and do that, drop him song, make him big money, make him much money after him song. Name him food. People still I say yo, the name still out there because even though he come out and show say yo, it was a publicity stunt, it's still out there with people still up to this day. They know say yo, it was a stunt and still have it for say yo, I acted and did name the buff. So at the end of the day, this is what me I say to you, say yo, them things are some of the time, they really not good and they leave a good stigma. It's what I deal with. But again, a dancehall artist them. And as far as them can see, you have to do whatever you have to do to stay relevant. And if you mention me, I say, him saying come here to see a dancehall, you could see. Me not gonna lie, him is a good artist, him not the bad artist, him not the best artist rather. Him say Alkaline come out with him tattoo in my eyeball. At the time, Alkaline is hot, not gonna lie. Alkaline is hot like drops, brother. I tell you, say, yo, the man they a drop. Songs, and songs will actually make sense. So, I'm not gonna lie, Kaseeno is a good artist, but the level of where Alkaline they perform with the thing in my eyeball, Kaseeno not reach this yet. And that's the truth. It's so me I deal with my people. But lo and behold still, we not keep the reason not too long. As I said to you, a man having life to live, a man do anything to do in life and that. It's so I say, that.
Diamond close to this, yeah?
Oh. Either way, people, if you find any value in the content, just hit the subscription button, man. You like the video, just press like. It's what I deal with. If you have a comment whether or not you agree or you disagree with me, just leave it in the comment section, man. Thanks for watching. I'm out.